What is up? So today I got a little bit of time before I gotta go pick up my wife. She's across town at her mom's house. I dropped her off yesterday, and then today what came in is cars coming. Got a new grill. This grill the emblem fell off of, so we're gonna replace it and black it out. Be cool. So I got this grill off of eBay for like $10 or something like that. Very cheap. But at least it'll look a little bit better. It'll black it out. It's got kind of this Type R, I think, look to it. They call that. And it's gonna look good. Get that hooked up. So I gotta pull the bumper off to do it. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna pull the lights out and replace the lights with the ones in the trunk and get that done so it at least looks better. Alright, so we got the front bumper off. That was fairly easy. It's only held on by 4 bolts, which is freaking insane. One there, one there, one there, one on the other side. So now we're going to get this out, put the new one on. Alright, so it has been kind of a interesting thing. These bolts here, or these little push down things that flare out, are kind of broken. So I basically found these bolts that they're not really, there's no bolt on the other end. They're just basically on there. They're really long, so when the hood closes, it will push against them and it'll keep it from popping up. I mean, it ain't going nowhere. So, but I have more of these right here in the mail. They're on the way, and I knew they probably wouldn't get here in time to do this, and I knew that I needed to replace them, so I'm going to put the new ones in here, to hold the bumper on. And this, it sucks the headlights didn't fit because they're a little, the DX has a different fender, so this is kind of a little rounded out here, so couldn't use those, which sucks, but whatever, you know. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Ended up looking like really good, so just gotta tweak it a little bit, make the fitment a little bit better, and it'll be good. All right, so that's where we are right now with the 4-door, and we'll work on more stuff later. Yeah, so it's 1:38. I'm gonna go get some food, go pick up my wife, and then we're just gonna chill for a little bit. Alrighty.